How to safely lose weight. The best method to get to your healthy weight and keep it off in the long run is to lose weight healthily and at a realistic pace. Eating healthily. 3,500 calories make up 1 pound of fat. Therefore, if you reduce your daily caloric intake by 500 calories on average, you should lose 1 pound every week. Even though it might not seem like much, if you ate an additional 100 calories a day, you could put on 11 pounds by the end of the year. Small adjustments have a significant long-term impact. Do. Create tiny, attainable goals. Eat 3 balanced meals every day and try to stick to the schedule. Only have snacks if you're actually starving. Try some nutritious alternatives. If you're trying to reduce weight, swap out high-calorie foods for more wholesome options. You might change. Portion management. Eating a nutritious, balanced diet is essential to losing weight, but controlling your portion sizes is also a key factor in weight reduction success. Organizing your food. To ensure you have the correct foods on hand, at the right times, preparation is key. Do. Use a meal planning for the upcoming week. Make a grocery list. Prepare meals in advance and freeze portions. Use a slow cooker if you can. Don't. Avoid purchasing larger pack sizes and in-store specials that frequently include foods rich in fat, salt, or sugar, such as crisps and fizzy beverages, when you are hungry. When combined with a good diet, staying active has numerous positive effects on your health and well-being and can help you lose weight. In order to change your life now, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.